Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Orlando Pirates have officially parted ways with Gilberto Vieira after the end of his loan with Pedro de Luanda. The Angolan international winger joined Pirates with much optimism back in 2024, and he impressed during their pre-season campaign in Spain. But he failed to establish himself in the first 11 under the then head coach Jose Riveiro. He was subsequently loaned back to Angolan Giants Pedro de Luanda, who was part of the league-winning squad last season. However, it has now been confirmed that the player and Orlando Pirates have officially parted ways, one season before his contract was due to expire. The 25-year-old has been capped 22 times by the senior national team Angola and will now look to reignite his career elsewhere after being deemed surplus to requirements before his exit at the Buccaneers. Your thoughts? What do you think of Orlando Pirates letting go of Gilberto? Do you think that they should have continued maybe to give him a chance, or they should have sold him instead of releasing him for free? Do you think that they made a good choice? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Stellenbosch FC are on the verge of completing the signing of former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder Njabulo Blom. Blom has arrived back in South Africa ahead of his move to Stellenbosch. The former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder left the Vietnamese side Thep Sharp Nam Diem FC after one season, which was plagued by an injury he picked up during preseason. The 29-year-old left Kaizer Chiefs for the MLS side St. Louis FC in January 2023, and he was a regular under head coach Bradley Carnell, the former Kaizer Chiefs left back. However, after falling down the pecking order at the MLS club, Blom returned back to Amakhosi on loan for the 2024-25 campaign, with much excitement from the club's fans, and he made only 10 starts in 19 appearances. And his deal was not made permanent, and he returned back to MLS, where he never featured, and they transferred him to Vietnam, where he didn't play. Now Blom will be arriving in Cape Town in the upcoming weeks, with the midfielder previously worked with Gavin Hunt during his time at Chiefs, when Amakhosi reached the CAF Champions League final, with Blom featuring 15 times in the CAF Champions League during that season. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Njabulo Blom signing with Stellenbosch FC? Do you think it's a good move? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.